The benefits of MindFuel professional learning, I think a lot of it comes to the relaxed atmosphere that it has, the teachers that have opportunities to talk, the experts that come that you can tell have been in the classroom and have been working with kids. The MindFuel ones don't feel distanced from what we would see in the classroom. They seem more applicable and more hands-on. It's not just theory, it's a lot of activities that we can actually do. And the social nature, when you come to the MindFuel ones, the snacks you provide and that kind of social, relaxed atmosphere is a huge benefit.
This particular program with MindFuel has given me opportunity to not only find different projects, but also to practice the skill sets that are being provided before I test them with my students.
I think when teachers try to do the activities that the students do, we realize all of the things that are difficult about it, even just what sort of guidance you need. Sometimes you forget as a teacher like what it's like to actually do the activities, so it's nice to be put in that situation.
Going to professional events helped me grow as a teacher, so getting more resources or just even connect with other people where I could go just have them as resources as well. So when I go to school, I know how to implement or even teach the other teachers at school and what I have learned. And just growing as a teacher, I think I'm always learning and I love that part.
I think the most fun and exciting part of the event tonight is just meeting other teachers and brainstorming with them and learning about ways that we can improve our practice together, and having experts there to give us like new things to think about that we don't necessarily do on a day-to-day basis.
They break down step by step on how to do it, like how to break down the outcomes, your question, because most of the time we just see the outcome, we don't know where to start. So what we did give us a good idea on where to start.
MindFuel events have been really interesting to see experts from the field talk about areas of technology and of science that I'm not typically exposed to.
MindFuel professional learning has created an environment that helps me feel excited about learning and trying different things with my students. I am no different than any other student in my classroom.